Holy moly, Mr. Phone Call over here. Next up for me, Amazon plans Alexa wireless earbuds. They want a piece of the action, Will. You understand the AirPods took over the world. Everybody had to have them. Everybody bought them. They're showing up everywhere you can imagine. And Amazon, they're like, they had the beef in the past, if you recall, where there was a moment in time where they put out their Fire TV stuff, and they were like, oh, Apple TV, see you later. Because they didn't want to sell other people's ecosystems. Now, Amazon invested in the voice assistant category through Alexa, and there's a Siri play with the AirPods, and Google, they want you to buy into their assistant program, and there's a feeling that once you get committed to one of these assistant programs,
the
ecosystem lock in the whole nine. The whole thing, Will.
Yeah.
I don't got to tell you about it.
No. I'm fixated on all of them. All the ecosystems.
There you go. A lot of ecosystems for Will. Yeah. So once it's Alexa enabled, all of a sudden the coffee maker's Alexa enabled, the lights are Alexa enabled, and it's like, yeah, guess what? The earbuds,
right?
They want them to be Alexa enabled as well. So imagine you're on the little earbuds, Will. You're ordering up the paper towel real quick. Alexa,
because that's what you do.
Yeah, hit me with the absorbent paper towels. And she knows what that means. So anyhow, apparently they're going to be cheaper than the competing products from Samsung, Apple. They're going to be priced below $100. So Amazon's going to bring the heat in that department. And of course, since it's their site that everybody buys everything from, they can undercut the competition right in their home turf, right in their home territory. They could have a hit on their hands.
Right.
I'll tell you what, because the other ones, obviously more expensive. If the product is half decent, it's delivering on the sound, it's platform independent, of course, Bluetooth, use it on iOS or Android. If it's as convenient, if the package is convenient and similar in scale to what Apple is doing, that could be some proper competition for Apple.
How do they look and how do they function?
It's very important. I would almost suggest that the functionality, convenience, and scale is more important than the sound.
Right.
I would argue that that's the case because I really think that the AirPod is more of a convenience play than a premium audio play. It's in the pocket. It's easy
nice
to
little
carry.
Package.
It's easy. Easy is very important. Convenience is very important. Amazon has traditionally priced its hardware devices below competitors, positioning them as more affordable products. Of course, they don't have to worry about the Amazon margin. They are Amazon. No, Amazon typically neighborhood of 30% they take as far as a margin is concerned for like putting your products there. I mean, it depends on the category, but they're the retailer, so they make money when you buy anything from them, Galaxy Buds or otherwise. In this case, they can bite into their own margin a little bit because they're the ones retailing it, so you can get that price down. Just like their products in other categories like tablets and Fire products and so forth. So anyhow, get ready. Coming soon, Amazon's very own AirPod competitors.